The aim of life is to practice oneness with God. That is called true devotion in God. Then what is the meaning of God for us? Meaning of God for us means any existence, any structure, any creation in the form of subtle or gross, if able to preserve this visible presence head to toes, we have to accept that existence, presence of God without any doubt. Now what is the presence of God? Let us imagine that we are fasting like Gandhiji. Gandhiji practiced fasting many days in order to compel all persons who were not correct to understand what is the correct. They were taking very long time and Gandhiji worked so hard, he became friend of majority. All the big businessmen, all the big leaders, all the big engineers and doctors and professors, all the rich and poor, majority started loving Gandhiji so deeply, then he was getting the shortcut how to solve the problem. And if he says something, you have to do it. If you are not doing it, okay, then I will fast till death. Because everybody loves Gandhiji so much and nobody just wants that Gandhiji should die, therefore everybody accepted what Gandhiji said. Let us imagine that Gandhiji is fasting, the first day, second day, third day, now 1 week, 10 days, 15 days. Now what happens in fasting? First, reserve glucose is used in order to produce energy. Glycogen from the liver is used to create energy for the metabolic process. After that, fat will start melting. Fat will be used as food. And when fat is completely consumed, then body protein starts dissolving. When the body protein is being used in order to maintain metabolic process, then there is a danger of the kidney. There will be kidney problems, heart problems, dystrophy of the different muscles of the heart and other part of the body. Then there is danger point. Then everybody will request, Gandhiji, please have something, otherwise we will be no more without you. Then the first food, whatever is given, is able to preserve the visible form of the Gandhiji. That food is called presence of God. Let us have an example that we don't have any food, we are having only mustard seed or sesame seed. Then how to break the fast? Try to crush and make a paste of the sesame seed or mustard seed, boil it in water and let anyone who is fasting and the dangerous state of the fasting, let that person should consume that boiled oil seed, he will find life will be protected. Then that oil seed is now working as God. Then you have to honor God. How to honor God? If you are using oil and leaving other content of the oil seed, it means you don't love that oil seed completely. You are having hatred. You take a portion of that and other portion you are throwing it out. Now our aim is to have perfect love with the God. Then never take oil in the food. Use complete oil seed. Sesame seed, groundnut, corn and mustard, so many varieties of the oil seeds are present. Now we should stop consuming oil. Instead we have to use oil seed because we have to honor God. Then how to use oil seed? Now we have to fry and we have to do so many things. How to do that? Remember that. Try to heat the oil seed in the fry pan without anything. And when there is a 50% roasting, not complete, then crush it, and with that crushed substance of the oil seed, try to mix the all spices, whatever you want, try to roast both together, then add a little amount of the boiled water in that, then try to boil it with that little water, then after that put little more water, but water should be boiled, pre-boiled stage. Then mix whatever food you want to mix into that. Vegetable or grains, that food will give you very good taste, and you will have very good function of the intestine, liver and other parts, because you have honored oil seed. When you are consuming oil and trying to throw out the other substance of the seed, that is called not practicing love with the God. Great devotion in God is the answer of all questions. This is how to love God in the process of consuming food substances. And this is so simple. How you will get all this? Just don't worry, keep on practicing Kriya Yoga meditation. All knowledge will come out from inside. Now, after knowing this, the same principle applied for the all seed of the grains, all the seed of the fruits and plants. You have to consume complete seed intact, never leave any portion of that, and try to discover the technique how to consume the complete seed portion of plant kingdom in order to honor presence of God. This is how to eat. This is the subject. You will not find in the book. In future, all these things will be in the medical books and nutrition dietetics all.